shucks.
And it damaged that. It hit that.
Oh,
Because that
okay.
was higher than before.
That one, yeah.
So
Oh,
we
so they had
extended
to.
this. So the copper
The
runs
lighten
here,
arrestor.
along
Okay.
here, and it goes down to the
Yes.
ground. Right. So the copper runs here and
Yeah.
There are a couple of ribbons
And there's a
around the
gauge
building.
down there that counts the amount of lightning strike. A lightning strike.
So where do you the energy when it gets struck?
No, it's grounded. It's not used.
To the ground.
It's not used.
Oh.
I thought too much.
Yeah, that's not something. That's
No,
not
I was wondering if them harvest it.
No, that's not something we have if the technology exists.
Prospect from the damage.
What's that?
I think Prospect. From the plastic, the roof, it was on it.
Because prospect glass.
When the wind happens, heavy rain.
No man, just over time it crystallized and mash up. Yeah, and then the wind in March, normally.
Jesus!
Isn't it?
Yeah, come this side, Chief. Come this side. Don't go that side.
Oh, that's a plant.
You see the fans? That's a cooling tower. So that's where the chill water is produced. Also, we have a cogeneration plant. So those green stuff, those green to the right of the cooling towers, those are generators. So that is what is generating electricity for our campus right now. So we're not on JPS.
Oh, okay.
So we generate our own electricity. So there are 5 engines, and that's what we use to generate electricity for the whole campus.
As in the entire youth